Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today I will show you how to permanently delete an Instagram account. So if you don't want your Instagram account anymore and you don't know how to delete it, I will show you on this video tutorial. Let's go directly to the point. Open up your Instagram, go to your Instagram account, Instagram page, go here at the right top corner, click on this menu button, and you will see here settings. Click on the settings, and here on the settings you have to click here on help, then choose help center, and you will redirect it on a help center website. And as you see, this Instagram open up mobile browser, so we have to do this from a mobile browser. It's the only way how you can delete your Instagram account. You can use mobile browser or you can do this on your desktop browser. But first of all, you need to log out from every devices. If you are logged in on another device, you have to log out and then you try to do this method I'm doing right now. Okay, here click manage your account. So here on the manage your account, if you don't see here on the list how to delete your Instagram account, I suggest you click here and then type here how to delete. How do I delete my Instagram account? Okay guys, and then you will be redirected on this topic. How do I delete my Instagram account? Scroll down here and here it is. The first thing, go to the delete your account page from a mobile browser or computer. As I told you, if you are not logged in Instagram on the web, you will be asked to log in first. You can delete account from within the Instagram application, okay? It's very important. Click here on the delete your account, then choose your mobile browser. In my case is Chrome. Choose Google Chrome here. Here it is. Put your email address here or your username here and the password. We need to log in again and click log in. Here, delete your account. If you want to break from Instagram, you can temporarily disable your account instead of deleting. So there is another option. If you want to temporarily disable and you don't want to delete your account, then click here temporary disable. But I want to delete it. On this video tutorial I'm showing you how to delete. So click here and then choose a reason why you are deleting. Something else. In my case I will just type here something else. You give your reason. Put your password again here. Your account will be deleted on August 19, 2021. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log in back before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. Okay guys? If you change your mind, then you just log in on your account before this date, because after this date your account will be deleted permanently and forever. You can't bring your account back after this date. But if you want this account to be deleted, don't log in again. So click here delete audioexperts.pro. But before I click this button, I will log out from my Instagram app. Okay, you have to log out first. You can't delete your account without logging out your account. Okay, go here on the menu, go to settings, go all the way down, and then log out from this profile. Now let's go back here on Chrome and then hit this button. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Click yes. Your account will be deleted on August 19, 2021. If you change your mind again, log back in before, then choose to keep your account. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. If you have any other questions, just write me comment in the comment area. God bless you and see you on the next video tutorial.